somewhere.
Very nice.
Yeah, the fridge is great. It's one of those ones, it's like stainless steel, so you just shows all your fingerprints.
Yeah.
Which is good, because then you know who's building your tree for it.
You can't use any of your regular cleaning stuff to clean it with. You gotta get special cleaning stuff.
That's right, but I didn't figure that out until the second time I tried to clean it.
Did everybody else go through that too when you first bought stainless steel crap in your kitchen? And they charge you a couple $100 more for the stainless steel. And you have that moment where you go, wait a minute, you didn't put paint on it. And you're charging me more. You do less and charge me more, and it's a bigger pain in my ass to keep clean. This sucks! That shit sucks! I was very upset when I had to go through all that. We got everything stainless steel, and now it looks all very early 2000s.
The idea is just get big blocks of ice from the general store.
You know what? Well, stainless steel is the old black. I don't know what the new black is, but it's not stainless steel. My picture's looking pretty tired.
The new black is Venetian Murano glass.
If I